My books are selling, they're picking up. She's amazing.
I call her a dream maker.
She was there for me. No matter what time of day it was, April was there.
It's a really exciting journey, and she makes it fun and she makes it easy.
She can help you know that you're on the right path, and I'm just forever grateful for her. She is the only reason I can very, very simply say that I am now a published author.
The first one, Finding Little Duggins, is right here, the Animals View series. This is the one that our April Cox assisted me with.
April's an amazing coach. She really knows her stuff. She over-delivers every single time.
I strongly recommend April's services and guidance to everyone who wants to make their dream of publishing a book a reality.
I really felt like I had somebody on my side, that I had a team member that I could ask questions for, that I could lean on. She's been with me and for me every step of the way.
She really gets it. She gets this advertising that I'm having so much trouble with. She just is the best.
I would highly recommend joining the group, letting April help you, and really making your dream come true with your book.